What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you all about XRP, and if you are an XRP holder, this video is going to go for you guys as well as the people that are probably watching, wondering if they should be into XRP. Full disclosure, just loaded up the bags within the new year, within a fresh start. Obviously, the wash rule within tax loss harvesting and all the good stuff opened up a lot of avenues where I think that you were able to capitalize before XRP regained the territory back in the $2.40 range. And that's currently where we're trading at right now. So I'm going to get into it. I'm going to share with you guys why XRP is up today. What is the global kind of forecast where a lot of people are predicting XRP is going to hit in 2025, as well as kind of some other narratives that we're going to talk about within XRP and Bitcoin. So if you're new to the channel, awesome. Great way to start off the new year. Make sure you guys are all part of the channel. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button right down below. Turn on that notification bell, smash that like button, and always follow me on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen, and let's get down into it, okay? Please remember, though, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel. But as we look at this wonderful, beautiful sea of green in the top 100, all of the cryptos that are absolutely exploding, XRP is not one that has been excluded. Now jumping Tether in third in total market cap, $137+ billion, $2.40. So loaded up the truck a little bit this morning, and we bought some XRP. And I kind of agree with the sentiment that's going on right now that I'm going to share with you guys right now in this video. But as always, guys, these are price predictions. They're not crystal balls. Always make sure you run it through your due diligence, okay? But as we look into it, I'm going to get down into the numbers. I want to share with you guys what we have going on in terms of a sponsorship. If you're looking for and you're able to trade on CoinW, check them out. Top 15 Exchange. There is a Telegram link that will verify yourself and create an account using my link. Not only will you get free Pepe coin, you'll get access to my free private professional trading group, where there's professional traders from CoinW that will give you insight into daily swing trades, shorts, longs, all that good stuff. Follow that 4-step verification process and get started trading with CoinW if it's right for you and where you're located, okay? But back in XRP, why are they up? Okay, and also the analysts that are forecasting $5 in 2025. This is where we have seen 14% up at the time of this publication. Now, as we look at the charts, though, guys, it has kind of subsided a little bit, only up 8.1% as we're currently recording. And that's kind of where that $2 level was a huge support zone with multiple bounces like we talked about, right? And now with this ascending triangle, the only step up from here is up, okay? So that's kind of what we see, a lot more buying confidence within XRP. We saw two spinning tops in terms of TA, followed by a bullish engulfing candle that is an indication of renewed buyer confidence, and that's what sent prices higher, okay? Resistance at 261 is to be anticipated, and if breached, buyers may target $3, $291 to be exact, within that December 2024 high. I'm going to talk about kind of my thoughts on that a little bit later in this video. But analysts are also predicting exponential growth for XRP, talking about $5, okay? That's where the projected future of XRP, they're looking for a fluctuation within a range of $1.35 to $2.12. And then by February, that price still may vary slightly between $1.30 and $2.50. I think it's a little bit low in my personal opinion, okay? I really don't see that being the lower end of the spectrum, okay? But within this is what we have to talk about. Institutional adoption being a cause and effect of the momentum within crypto, XRP could potentially reach $5 or more. Okay, that's kind of coming out from analysts that we have seen from CoinGecko. Also, there's other commentators on the crypto that are a little bit more bullish than that. I personally can't get down with $50 by the end of 2025. That's highly speculative and highly kind of on the upper end of a price prediction. So I'm not going to really talk about that too much. I'm kind of going to dismiss that claim. I want to keep things kind of 100 and in that $3 to $5 range. Now, also, this is kind of, you look into it right now, all right? That bullish reversal pattern has what caused XRP to rise today. But what could cause XRP's price in 2025? Well, that's where we get into kind of a $20 to $23 price prediction for this cycle with a more bullish outlook, even of $70. So even more of a bullish prediction. But this is kind of, we have to look into cross-border payments, all right? I think that right now we're a couple years away, but I think that there's a lot of people that do agree with kind of the comment that XRP, if they get where they're getting to, they can really not only kind of decouple from the rest of the crypto world, it's what we're going to talk about within Bitcoin, but more so just kind of do what they're setting out to do that will cause a pun intended, a ripple effect with how cross-border payments are provided and kind of implemented right now in present day. Okay. But back into it, let's talk about Bitcoin and XRP and how XRP has decoupled from Bitcoin and what this means. Okay. In November, we saw a 320% price rise. And as we can see, this is more of a correction than a reversal of the trend. Now, a couple things coming out, right? Not only just is the chart bullish, okay, but I think this is something where you see XRP trading at 0.0000025 BTC, which is the highest level in a year and a half time, okay? That's something where the all-time high is still at that 3025, which is 1,000% higher, so a 10x from here. But doesn't seem like much considering the exceptional performance that we have seen over the past few months. Now, why I told you guys all this information, not only is that just the XRP news for today, but more so it's because we are aligning ourselves. Couple that with the fact that I think that the SEC trial will be dismissed. It's all set. The table is set, okay? And I think that's really where we're going to see XRP kind of start spreading its wings. Now, remember, fighting the issue if they were a commodity or a security. But now as we get Paul Abbott back into the SEC and Gary Gensler's out, Trump's in, Garlinghouse is part of that whole conversation with what's going to happen with crypto. I'm extremely bullish for the prospects of XRP in 2025. Like I said earlier in this video, I just bought more. And this is kind of where we look into it and being the whole narrative, right? The only thing that can get us in trouble, in my opinion, would be some kind of macro effects, right? And when I talk about that, that would be more so in line with maybe what we're seeing in the Middle East, maybe what's happened with some of the terror in the United States, which has no place. Crypto to go where it's intending to go, in my opinion, for 2025. So with that, I'll leave you guys, give you the XRP news for the day. Appreciate you guys all watching. Like I said a little bit earlier, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you all do so down below. We'll keep you updated every step along the way. Appreciate you guys once more. Make sure you check out that link down below for CoinW. If you're able to start trading, run it through your due diligence and get started trading today with CoinW. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers.